Meaning of frenetic.
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 Frenetic. The word frenetic describes someone or something that is characterized by frantic or frenzied activity, often accompanied by a lack of control or coherence. When something is described as frenetic, it suggests a sense of chaos and disorderliness, with a flurry of energy that can be exhausting or overwhelming. Frenetic activity can be positive in the sense that it reflects energy and enthusiasm, but it can also be negative if it leads to burnout, mistakes, or an inability to effectively accomplish goals. Overall, the word frenetic connotes a sense of unbridled activity that is both exhilarating and potentially hazardous.